You are once again welcome to Luxuriant Star TV. So we are continuing with the vacuum cleaner, the building of the vacuum cleaner for the circulation of pond water and cleaning up pond water, also to introduce oxygen into the pond. So last time we did look at how to fix everything to this tank, getting the vacuum, getting it as a vacuum cleaner. So as we started, so what we are going to do now is to get the steps, the levels of filtration, the layers of filtration. We are first going to put in this stones. That will be our first filtration process. So let's put them in first, then we continue from there. So the stones are already washed. You need to wash them. So these are already washed. So the stones has covered the inner vacuum. It has covered the inner vacuum. So what's the next thing to do? So our next thing to do is to introduce the next set of cleaning, the next set of filtration. So the next set, we are going to use a sieve net. Yeah, it's a sieve net also, which has been washed thoroughly. It's new, clean. So you can just fold it to a reasonable size. Yeah. Then, so this is the net which has been folded and made some hole here so it can pass through. So we just move this also down there. We spread it evenly on top of the stones. Okay, I also have a wool, a cotton wool. So I'm going to use this cotton wool also on top of the net. So I'm going to spread this wool also. Then lastly, it's a foam, which a very big foam. Yeah. So we will keep it's very big, and I folded it, and then even there is a spare. So as time goes on, you definitely have to change when they get too dirty. So then those ones could be used again. So that is all I'm just doing. You know, that is my way of cleaning my pond. Cleaning my pond. So now that we are done with that, we just have to cover it up. Then the rest, we continue with the rest. We are done with the inside, so we are going to continue from outside. So that is where we have the vacuum cleaner situated. So we are going to connect the pipelines to it. Then we take it from there. So let's do the connection of the pipelines. So what we do is, this pipe hanging here, this exact pipe is what will bring the water into the pond. They have some perforations, holes under it. So that is what brings the water into the pond. So we are going to connect the pipe to the tank, then it comes back into this. So this one, as we said, has a 3/4 thread pipe to the tank connector, and then it has been taped with a plumber's tape. So let's thread this into it. The next to do is to connect this pipe to that. So this is just it, as you can see, coming from the pond to this far. Yeah. So now let's connect the pump, which is this. We're going to connect the pump, and then we power it, then we see what happens. Yeah. Keep that for. And I only talk about none of the calls. So that is what is happening down here. The outlet, the pump in the water. So for now, I think I'm set to filter my water. No need to be changing water every day. I did change water this morning, and I think I'm done with that process. I'll change maybe once a week or once in every 2 weeks. see how they are enjoying the bubbles.